sounds pretty resonant, doesn't it?
That's fun.
It's moving. Well, you can see it pretty strongly now. Well, that's probably good enough. So that plate, the plate is set into resonance there and vibrating where this would be coming up and that would be going down, this coming up, and so forth, like that. And these would be what we call the nodal lines, where it's not vibrating at all like that.
Huh.
And if you do this, you don't need very much of this. I think one of the problems is you shake too much of it on there at first. But well, I'm not sure I'm getting that thing. It's just vibrating off the plate. Oh well, I see a.
Yeah,
There's a
there's
ring.
a, there's a,
In fact, it's still ringing. Look at that.